Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Jamaica's beautiful countryside at its best from this spacious designed villa in Top Hill Retreat, Westmoreland. From this property, there are amazing views of vast sugarcane fields, embraced by the hills of Moreland. Located in a cul-de-sac of a developing residential area, this stunning villa offers serenity, privacy, and a spacious yard. In case you missed the beach, it's only 10 minutes drive away from Negril and 50 minutes from Sav la Mar, the parish capital. The villa boasts an elegant foyer, front and rear porches, master bedroom and bathroom on each floor, one powder room, kitchen, dining, entertainment area, and a room for a library or gym. Four more bedrooms and three bathrooms, a huge terrace and balcony. The house has a security system with 7 cameras and reserve water tanks. The upstairs bathrooms are completed. Downstairs need some appliances as well as inside painting. It won't take much to make this your dream home. The land area of this house is approximately 57,200 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this villa. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 395,000 or Jamaican $60.7 million. To purchase our make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.